Hello, Sudoku friends. What's happening? Yes, the last Sudoku it will be for this additional for today. Yes, today in today's newspaper of Wednesday, December the 30th, 2020. And this last Sudoku, a tectonic one with 4 stars, will be number, let me write this or number this, 2088. All right, the last Sudoku of this newspaper. All right, so let's get started. And the first question is, can we see here the single boxes? I see the 2. I see here 2. So the single box is always a 1. Here also a 1. That means the boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So these 3 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Those 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. Dual box, the 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Those 2 boxes are reserved for the 2 and the 4. I cannot place a 2 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. I need a 2 there. So the 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left for the numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 4. And this should be a 3. Then. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then this box cannot be a 2, so those 2 boxes should be a 2. Here a 2 or there 2. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. That means those 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes, this is a quadra box. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. So those 3 boxes are cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Look, it's a candy. Yes, Christmas candy. Thank you. All right. 2 boxes left. 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. Oh, yeah, those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for, no, this is a quadra box. Quadra box don't have a 5, yes. Only 1, 2, and only 1, 2, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 here, so no 3 in those 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 1 and the 4 are left. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, then this box cannot be a 2 because we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 2 goes in these 2 boxes. Alright, let me see. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. This box cannot be a 1 because I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. That box cannot be a 1, and this box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 1. Alright, that means these 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be 1 anymore. This should be a 1. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Almost finished. Oh, I bumped the camera. Apologies. Yes. 1, 4. So the 3 and 2 should be here. Difficult part, this one. Quadra box. Alright, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. And I cannot place a 5 here because I need a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 cannot be here. The 5 should be there. Alright, so this box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 5. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. This box can also not be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Now we have a 4 here, so those 3 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. This box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 2. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 numbers cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 numbers, 2 and the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. 3 and a... Yeah. We have a 4 here. So this box cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So 1 box left in this area for the number 3. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes, so this cannot be a 4. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 2, and this should be a 4. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes are reserved for the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 and the 3 goes as a pair in those 2 boxes. So the other pair should be the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then 3 numbers left in this area for the 2, 3 and a 4. 2, 3, 4. We have a 4 and a 3 here, so this box can be 4 and a 3. The 4 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. one number left in this area for the number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 3. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4, this box should be the 4, and this should be a 5. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box cannot be a 4, that box cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. The 1 and the 2 are left. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 1. Finish in 10 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this Tectonic, a.k.a. Suguru, with 4 stars. Yes. I deserve this Christmas candy. Yes, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow, the last day of the year. 31st. Yes, the last day. We will meet again and see you then. Bye-bye for now.